Hi guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie home. If you're new, my name is Lillian, and I'm sure by now you've already read the title of this video, and I want you to ask yourself this question: what exactly do I need from my home? I'll wait. Okay, so if your answer is I want a place where I can rest my head after a long terrible day, or I want peace and quiet and just a peace of mind, if that's your answer, then you want to stick around and listen to these 5 ways of enjoying and taking pride in your home. Let's get to it.
At the end of your labor, home is where the heart is. Home is where the heart is. Don't you know? Ile la bossimi.
Number 1, set structures and rules. Okay, so the moment you heard the rules, you're like, okay, Lily, can you stop it? Cut it out. Cut it out. What rules? But honestly, listen to me. Don't crucify me yet. Just listen. Look, this is gonna help you guys, especially for my moms and my dads with little kids, because you guys know that the kids do not like anything clean. They destroy things, but that can change. So the rules are, oh baby, thank you. Oh, that's pipe. How do Nigerians say? That's piping hot.
Right like that?
Yeah, thank you, babe. Oh, child, this is hot. You guys, I'm drinking tea because my throat hurts, but it's fine. It's so hot. I have to keep this thing down. Let me keep it down for a little bit, okay? Oh, what a great husband I have. I'll drink it in a little bit, y'all. Let's get to it. Rule. So one of the rules you can have could be no eating in any place other than the kitchen and the dining area. I personally love this rule, you guys, because I am not ready to be cleaning and be scrubbing no couch for no child. So this, I personally make sure that my kids, my family, we eat at the kitchen island because it's so much easier to clean. Do this and thank me later. Once they are done eating, you guys, I just take that red that red towel over there in that kitchen, wipe down that place, use a paper towel, use method, clean that place, wash the dishes, and I'm done. I put away the leftovers, and I'm done with cleaning. I can go, and relax with my husband. Another rule you can have is no leaving the house. What am I saying? No, do not leave the house untidy before leaving. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Yeah, do not leave the house untidy before leaving, because now, I don't know about anybody else, when I am out and the house looks a hot mess, I'm not really having fun, because all I'm thinking about is, oh, Lillian, you didn't clean this thing. Oh, now I have to go back home to this house, and now I'm not. So when I'm already not enjoying my house, that's number 1, because now I'm like, oh, I'm dreading to go home. But the moment you clean that house and then you step out and have your fun, not only are you gonna have a fun without having to think about these things, then you're gonna come back home, in the evening time, stroll in, light your candles, go and cuddle up. She said cuddle. Go and cuddle up. Wrap yourself on that blanket with your husband, and just do what married couples do.
Full time!
Don't ask me what married couples do, Pico. It helps you enjoy your day, honestly.
I supposed to hear this.
Oh God. But those are the rules and structures that you can put in place to make sure that you're enjoying your home, okay? Number 2, separation of space. So you know how I said the rules and people are like, oh, I don't even know if you guys are saying this, but I'm thinking that you guys are saying these like rules, girl, where? Like, go by. Like, a house is meant to be spoiled. The children are meant to run around. No. So separation of space is really going to be that thing that will help you to keep your house well decorated and organized and clean. Honestly, So when we were living in my little raggedy apartment, okay, it wasn't raggedy. It wasn't raggedy. It was little. That one it was. It was little, but I still created a little space for my children to play. They can jump up and down, bring all their toys that they have. I hate toys, by the way. Bring all their toys out and play. And at the end of the day, we do our clean up, singing song. I don't know if you guys know that song. That song, it helps. Clean up, and then they clean up, and then she take a bath and go to bed. Like, and I don't have to worry about, oh, is the house destroyed? Did they scratch the wall? I just worry about that part. And it helps you, because later on, if the kids were to destroy anything in that room, it's really isolated to the point that you can just fix the thing by yourself. If they're destroying all the house, it's going to be a lot of work and a lot of money being spent. You feel me? Which of that one? Number 3 is decorate. So now let me tell y'all this thing real quick. One thing that I always get from my African community, because if you didn't know already, I'm Nigerian. One thing I always hear is, girl, leave that thing, Jare. Girl, leave that thing, Jare. When I don't want to really decorate, do I want to decorate? When these children go off to college, then I'm gonna decorate. At my college? That's another 17 years from now. You want me to wait till college for me to like live my life the way I want to live it now? Girl, bye. Like, that's not gonna work. We are going to like live our best life right now in this moment, not waiting 17 years later. So I really feel like you can get the house that you want irrespective of whether your children are 17 or 2 years old, to be honest with you. So as you can see in this room, this is our official dining room. This place looks a hot mess, you guys. I never stay here. In fact, I use this room to unbox, to do my unboxing, because it's not decorated. There's no group seating. There's nothing here. So why would I want to spend my time here? But there's something about a well-decorated house. The African in me just came out. No, seriously, there's something about a well-decorated house. It just puts you in the mood. It makes you want to put your feet on the couch, press your phone with the candles burning in the background, and you just, you know, cuddling with your husband and watching Netflix. You know, that's I'm talking about me, y'all. I'm talking about me. Can you tell? No, a clean house makes me want to relax, honestly. So you guys, due to this whole COVID thing, my friends and I, we've been, you know, gisting a lot. So always on the phone. Gisting means like talking a lot. If you're not African, I'm sorry. You guys, like, you're gonna be wondering, what did this girl drink? But I'm just drinking my tea. I'm just being more comfortable, you know, talking on the camera, I guess. So we've been gisting a lot, and my friend was like, girl, I can't wait to like go back to traveling and, you know, staying in those nice hotels. And I'm like, okay, why? She was like, girl, the hotel is always clean, well decorated, and nice. Like, the vibe is always good. I'm like, okay. I'm thinking like, let this thing be over so that I can, you know, do what I do, have fun, hang out with my friends and stuff. And she's talking about staying in a hotel. I'm like, girl, bye. But the thing is that I was like, you can get all these things. You can bring the hotel to your house. You know what? Like, you can even make it more better, like more suiting for you to be there. And all you have to do is decorate your house, clean your house, do those things, like, and you don't have to keep doing it over and over like an everyday thing. Once you do those little, what else do you really have to do in your house but like wash the little bathroom and wash plates? That's it, if your house is clean, you know? Okay, let's go. Which are that one? Oh, the reason why people don't really try to decorate their homes, it's probably because they think it's very expensive, which it can be, and they feel intimidated about doing some certain things on their own. So if you can't buy it, you can do it yourself, right? DIY. But it's really not that hard. This vase I got from Home Goods. This vase was about $14, right? And the Lord knows I'm not about to use this vase because of the color now. I don't do all that color now. So God knows I was not about to use it. But guess what? It looks like what I like. The shape, everything looks good, but the color. So what I'm gonna do now is go to Walmart and buy a spray paint, whatever it's called, in black or white, and spray the color that I want, and voila. This stuff, okay, let's add this paint. The paint is like $5. So 14 plus 5, that is like how much? 19 bucks? Look, this whole vase is going to cost us about, let's say $50 at Wayfair or one of those other stores. So like, honestly, a lot of times it's about shopping smart and, you know, getting the deal, getting the deal. So you can do a lot of inexpensive things. What are a lot of things that you don't have to break your bank and why decorating? That's really what I'm trying to say. So this brings me to rule number 4, right? Are we number 4? Yeah, custom pieces. Making custom. When you hear custom, I'm pretty sure you're like, girl, bye. I'm not spending all that money on no custom furniture. Honestly, the word custom is just intimidating, but custom really just means that they're making the stuff for you according to your desired measurement or your desired feel to it, or you're even making it for yourself. It doesn't necessarily have to be that it's expensive. A lot of times you're just making things according to what you really like, and it's not that expensive. The scripture art that I have, honestly, you guys, it's not expensive at all. I've been wanting this scripture art for a long time, and I was like, you know what, let me do this thing by myself. When I went on Etsy, they don't have all the scriptures that I want, and I cannot custom it. Oh, look at that. Oh, Lily, you are rhyming, yeah. I could not, you know, make it to custom make the thing, so I had to like do it by myself. DIY, do it on your own. Is that what it stands for? Do it your way. Do it on your way. Reason why you want to make custom stuff is because the memory behind it. When you treasure something, when something means a lot to you, you tend to not want to spoil it. You tend to want to keep it. No, seriously, when something is dear to you, you preserve it. Now, and look, we've made so many memories with this thing. My kids were helping. They weren't really doing much. They were not really doing much, but my husband did help. You know, we picked out the verses together, and then when we did everything, as you can see, he was helping me put it together. And he's such a great husband. So they have that sentimental thing. So now if I ever move and I look at this art and it doesn't really have a place I can keep it, because of those memories and me and my husband and the kids making it, I'm probably just gonna keep it under the bed until like I have a place to keep it next time. Under the bed. That doesn't mean I keep items under the bed. Okay, anyways, let's move on to our last one, I think, right? Our last one is entertain guests in your house. Now, I have 2 reasons why I'm saying this. Number 1, when you know nobody that I know, I'm pretty sure nobody you know wants to entertain people when their house is in shambles. I don't know no one person. So I feel like in that period is when you're like, okay, let me see now. This curtain has been dirty for the last 2 months. Let me go and throw it in the washer. This wall has been is dirty. Let me tell you, the friends I have do not just come with their this thing and say, oh, let me sit down and wait. No, the friends I have, they open the cupboard, they open the pantry. She say cupboard. I need to stop. They open the pantry, they see what's there to eat, Lillian, you know? And yeah, so they're not gonna be sitting there, so I have to make not to say that my friends are judgmental, they're not, but you know what I mean. Nobody wants to like host anybody with their house looking crazy. And another reason why you want to decorate is, why you want to entertain is because a lot of times, we humans were designed like that. When we have something new or we have something nice, we always want to show it off one way or the other. Most people don't, some people do, but at least some people still show up at least 25%. They showing, they showing. So it's like a man when he gets his nice car, he's not gonna park that car. He's gonna be cruising in that car, calling all his boys, come through. Let's see what this car can do, how many miles it can go. Or when your friends get a house, they want to show you their new house, the rooms, the game room, the media, even the things you didn't ask for, they be showing you, because human beings are built like that. It's a way to boost your ego. So if your house is clean, you're gonna want to, or nice or well decorated, you want to show it off, and that in return, it's gonna make you feel good about yourself as well. That sounds so bad, but it's true. It's true. Let's be real here. So yeah, what else? but honestly, that's really it. Oh, let me see. I feel like my throat is hurting, y'all. I feel like I've been laughing a lot. Like I feel like I'm feeling more comfortable doing this YouTube thing, because usually I'm like, I'm all over the place, saying things I'm not supposed to say, running over my words. But like today, no. You know what just came to my mind? People are gonna be thinking that I'm not drinking anything other than tea. This is tea, nothing else. I don't drink. This is tea. But if you're wondering why I'm so excited, like this is honestly how I am on a regular day. But when I get on the camera, I'm usually not so free. Like I'm always shy. But then I was like, no, well, Lillian, be yourself. You can do this. So I think it's working. I talked to myself and it worked. But anyways, this was a good tea. Anyways, I think that's all. Did we get everything? So I think that's all. I think we got everything, you guys.